Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingu Foodies. Today we are going to make pistachio cookies. Soft, nutty, rich, lightly sweet, these cookies are a wholesome treat. Made with oats, flax seeds, honey and a touch of cardamom, these cookies are eggless, gluten-free and full of flavor. Perfect for your evening chai and easy to make. So if you are new here, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started. We'll start by making a flax gel which will replace eggs in this recipe. Into a blender, add some flax seeds and grind them into a fine powder. Transfer 2 tablespoons flax powder into a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of water. Give it a mix and let it rest for about 10 minutes till it thickens. Now add 1 1/4 cup of oats into a blender along with 1/4 cup of pistachios and 3 to 4 cardamom pods. Blend everything into a fine powder. Transfer this to a bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and give it a good mix. Now add 3 tablespoons softened butter or ghee or coconut oil if you are vegan and 3 tablespoons honey or maple syrup for vegan option. And the flax gel that we prepared earlier. Mix everything well. Now add 1 tablespoon of milk and form a soft dough. Take a small portion of the dough and shape it into a cookie. And similarly, shape more cookies. Bake them in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Allow them to cool completely. I love these cookies with chai. They are soft, delicious, and they have just the right amount of butter and sweetener for my taste. Hope you enjoyed them too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So do try these healthy and tasty pistachio cookies and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.